So Carnot map. So why Carnot map are we using? Because these are the logical functions. Logical function generally expressed in terms of logical variables, and arbitrary function can be expressed in following form. So before studying Carnot map, we have to understand some basic terms which will be used to produce Carnot map of any electronic functions, the operations produced to us. So suppose we have two types of their SOP and POS. So SOP stands for sum of products and POS stands for product sum. The product term refers here as a product. The variables in the product term may be either in complemented or incomplemented, which can be 0 or 0 bar, 1 bar, etc. The variables in the product term may be either in either. So how it will look like? It look like P A bar BC. So what is it? Is the product of the variables given to us. Now some term. It is basically the OR function is generally used referred as sum. You can see the OR operation. So what is sum of products? This is the sum of products. So basically it is the OR operation of AND operated variables. So AND operated variables are there, and OR operation of this is called SOP. It is sum of two or more logical products, SOP expression, and product of sum. So this is sum and these are the product. So basically it is the AND operation of OR operated variables. Now very important, mixed term, min term. A product term containing all the k variables of the function in either complemented or uncomplemented form is called min term. So what is the main important part for min term? So there are k variables which will be used in Carnot map. We have 2 to the power k min terms. The main property of the min term is that it possesses the value 1. So min term will possess the value 1 for only one combination. So 1 having the value only one combination, okay. Raised to k, 2 raised to the power k minus 1 will be 0 values. So in it we run towards 0. Only 1 will be given to us by one variable, like this. This is 3 variables, so 2 raised to the power k means 8 combination will be there. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and the 4 0 4 1 4 0 4 1. So basically min term stands for SOP, sum of products. In sum of products we run towards 1. So 0 will be bar. So A bar B bar C bar, A bar B bar C, A bar B C bar, A bar B C, A B bar C bar, A B bar C, A B C bar, and whole are not without bar. So thus it can be represented sum of products we run towards 1. Now what is K map? Of 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. So for 2 variable we write down this as AB. So A and B. So AB is 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 2, and 0 1 is 1, and 1 1 is 3. Okay. Now for 3 variables A, B and C, 0 0 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. But for K map you have to interchange last 2. So it will be 0 0 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. And here 0 and 1. So what will be 0 0 0 is 0, 0 1 1 is 2, 1 1 1 is 6, 1 0 1 is 4, and 0 0 1 is 1, 0 1 1 is 3, 1 1 1 is 7, 1 0 1 is 5. Similarly for 4 variables ABCD 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, just interchanging these two. So 0 0 0 0 is 0, 0 1 0 0 is 4, 1 1 0 0 is 12, 1 0 0 0 is 8, 0 0 0 1 1, 0 1 0 1 5, 1 1 0 1 13, 1 0 0 1 9, 0 0 1 1 3, 0 1 1 1 7, 1 1 1 1 15, 1 0 1 1 11, 0 0 1 0 2, 0 1 1 0 6, 1 1 1 0 14, and 1 0 1 0 10. So just remember how to draw this K-map. Now this sum. So this sum sign means SOP. SOP means sum of products. Sum of products, SOP. In it, what will we do? Wherever is 0, we will put bar and we will run towards 1. We will run towards 1. Okay. So just what will happen in this? This is 0 0 0, 1 0 1, and 1 1 0. It means SOP. So 0 0 0 means we will run towards 1 in SOP. So 0 means bar. So whole bar. And it is mean term SOP. In 5 it is 1 0 1, so A B bar C, A B bar C, and 1 1 0 means A B C bar, A B C bar. It means now we have equation y equal to a plus b, and we have to change it in SOB. SOB means mean term means run towards 1. So a dot 1, only 2 terms, we need 2 variables, so we will use 1 here, and a here, b is not here, so b plus b bar, and 1 will convert it to a is not here, so a plus a bar. Now we will solve it. A dot b bar, b a, and b a bar. So these are two same, so a plus a equal to 1, a plus a equal to a, so it will be only a b bar, and b a bar. Okay, thus we can solve it. Now a plus bc, so here only one variable, so it will be plus and bc, and SOP form, we will SOP form sum of products, so we will sum up b plus b bar and bc. So open it, so it will be goes like this. If for 3 variables, we will use c plus c bar also. So when you open it, abc, a bar bc, a b bar c, a b c bar, and a b bar c bar. Now mixed term and product of sum. Mix means product of sum, min means sum of products. In sum of products, min term we are running towards 1. In pivot form, we will running towards 0. It will be same containing all the k variables, complementary complete form. Next term is 2s to the power k term. Only one combination of k input variable possesses the value 0. Here only one will be 0 and all other will be 1. So here we run towards 0. Okay, so like it represented pi represent here PO is product of sum. Okay, pi is product of sum, and product of sum means we will run towards 0. So 0 is 0 0 0, so a plus b plus c will be there. But for 2 0 1 0, for 2 0 1 0 means a b bar c. Okay, because we are running towards 0, and a bar bc and whole bar will become here. We are running towards 0, and above in the sum of products we were running towards 1. Now we are having other question. We are y equal to a plus b bar, b plus c, and a plus c. So POS form. POS means product of sum. Product of sum means we are running towards 0. We were running towards 0 means here are 3 variables, so we need 3. So just sum 0. C bar, a bar, and b bar. So when you solve it, what will you have? Multiplied when you solve it, what will you have? A plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar, c bar. Similarly here, b plus c plus a, and it will goes like this. So these two terms are same, so remaining term will be like goes like this. Now okay ma'am, it is just a little bit theoretical lines here. Just understand what is written here. What the simplification of switching function using Boolean laws and theorems becomes complex with the increasing variables. So whenever we have number of variables got increased, then it is very hard for switching functions to calculate the Boolean algebra. To solve this problem, we use K-map technique, and what is provided for systematic method for simplifying and manipulating switching expressions. Via this technique, the information available in SOP or POS form or content in a truth table form, है ना, both form are true like this. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, A plus B plus A bar B plus C, like this. Is represented on the K-map. K-map is actually a modified form of a truth table. So if there are n variables in K-map, there are only 2 raised to power n cells, and it will be represented in the cell of the K-map. These are the cells of the K-map. So these are the 4 variables. So first draw the K-map of 4 variables. So simply ABCD 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 is 4. So just remember this table: 0 1 2 3 4 0 4 12. Just remember that. Just this row remember. You can write remaining with the help of this. So what is it? 0 4 12 8. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 12 13 14 15 8 9 10 11. So you just have to remember this term: 0 4 12 8. It is also the table of 4. So SOP, what is here? 1 3 5 7 8 9. It is the sum of products. 1 3 5 7 8 9 12 13. So sum of products means pi. Pi means mean. Means run towards 1. So just remember 1. So 1 3 3 1 5 1. Now 7 1 8. Where is 8? 1 9 1 12 1 13 1. Okay. So just we have to now create octet, tetrahedral, dyad or single digit pair. So first preference will be given to octet. If it's octet means we can make an octet, then do it. Here octet is not possible, then we will go for quadrat or tetrahedral. Then we will go for tetrahedral, means 4 combination: 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So there is no other 1 remaining here, so it will be enough. So there will be 2 quads are formed. 2 quads are formed. So 2 quads are formed. Now we will check this quad. So this quad will be 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 0 means A B C bar D. Then 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 A B bar C D. Then 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. And we are running towards 1 because it's a sum of product form, SOP form, min term. Okay, they are also for 1. So now search for common term. Now search for common term. What are the common terms here? A 1 1 1 1. So it will be A. B bar is not incoming. All the products. C bar C bar C bar C bar. So C bar will be common. So A C bar will be one of our variable from 2 variable. Now look for these two: 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1, and then 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Sorry, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So look for the common term 1 1 1 1 1. So D will be there, and 0 1 1 not possible. 0 0 0 0 will be there, so A bar will be there. So by just looking at this, you can also find the answer. Now sum of products, so it will likely will be lead to answer. Now A B C D, A bar C B D. Now what is it? Is the sum of product SOP form. SOP means we learn towards 1. Okay, so just do this. Take generate K-map, and what will you do? You will just represent this. So what is here? We are running towards 1. So 1 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 1 here. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. So 1 0 0 0 here. Here only c, so just represented by 1 and will be d plus d bar. Here also c plus c bar and d plus d bar. So when you solve it, you are in this variable, these two are be done. So a b bar c bar d. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. This will be, thus you can represent all the variables on the K-map. Okay, now form octant or quadrant. So one quad is here, one quad is here, and one is here. So there will be three variables here. So just go for the answer. So now just try to find common terms. So just from 1 1. So 1 1 will be on this term. So AB will be common. Now look for this. Look for this. So what will be here? 1 1 1 1. So A and C will be, A will common and C will be common out. Now find common for these two terms. So 1 1 A and both are D0. So A D bar will be common. So some of these terms. You can solve remaining terms like this question also. Thank you very much.